everyone, I'm Jenna, and welcome to Zebra English. Right now, it is the perfect weather for looking at the changing colors of the ginkgo tree leaves. I want to collect a few of these leaves and make bookmarks for my friends. But it's a little cold outside, so first I need to prepare some warmer clothes. First, I have my sweater, and now I need my jean jacket. Ta-da! This is my jean jacket. And last, I need a scarf. Ta-da! My scarf! Okay, we're all ready to go see the ginkgo trees. Let's go!
Wow, we're in the park. Now let's go look at some ginkgo trees. Come on! We are in a ginkgo tree forest. Look at all the beautiful yellow leaves against the blue sky. Look how beautiful it is. This is a ginkgo tree, and this is the ginkgo tree's trunk. It's thinner than normal tree trunks. Wow, look how tall the ginkgo tree is. The ground here is covered in fallen leaves. They make a crunching sound when you step on them. Listen to how pleasant the sound is. The leaves are really interesting. Huh? Wow, this ginkgo tree leaf just fell on my head. Look how cute it is. It looks like a tiny fan. You know, these ginkgo leaves are so cute. I'm going to collect a few and take them home. I can use them as bookmarks.
Wow! I'm back home! Let's make some bookmarks with these leaves. These are all of the things I need to make a ginkgo leaf bookmark. Ginkgo leaves, plastic film, tassels, scissors, and a hole puncher. First, we need to remove the cover from the plastic film. Now, I can put my ginkgo tree leaf onto the plastic film. Now I'll tear off the cover of another piece of plastic film, and I'll place it on top. Now, let's cut around the shape of the ginkgo leaves. I want to add a tassel to this one. So, I'll take my hole puncher and punch a hole at the bottom. And now I can put the tassel through the hole. Ta-da! What a beautiful bookmark! Wow, our bookmarks are all finished. Remember, autumn is over and winter has begun. Don't forget to wear warmer clothes. Put on your winter look, take a picture, and leave it down in the comments below. If your picture is good, I'll send you a bookmark. Okay, time to go. See you next time. Bye!